Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Demontimemo, man. I'm back with another banger. So look, man, I'm about to change the brakes on my Demon. As y'all can see, I got that big boy sitting right there. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, this is the first time me ever changing some brakes in my life, but we're gonna see how this process goes. It seems like it's pretty simple. So I hope y'all like this video, man. I hope y'all enjoy this video, because I'm finna show y'all how to change some brakes. Do it yourself. Forget all that, man. Start learning how to do stuff on y'all car for y'allself, man. So we finna change the brakes on the Demon right now, man. As y'all can see, we got the kit, we got the what's name, we got the extreme stop joints, ceramics. So we're gonna put them on real quick, man. And if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that sub button, man. Make sure y'all drop down a like on this video and drop in no comments. I'm finna show y'all how we finna get it cracking, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm excited to do it. I'm excited to show y'all this. Let's go. Got the car jacked up, man. This is my first time doing this, so don't do it. Easy little thing, man, as y'all can see, folks. So we don't got the little thing that's supposed to go right here. We just got the two prongs right here. So basically all we gotta do is just take the old ones out and, you know, put the new ones in there. So for see how that go for y'all, man. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we're gonna see how it go. No cap. Alright, so look, we got I ain't gonna lie to y'all, we got a professional that just pulled up. Alright, so we got the new pads right here. So these are new pads. Wait, that pad, no, that one for this one is for that one over there.
This one?
Yep, that's for this side.
It is?
One, yeah, this one go on that side. Then the other one this one right here. Okay. This one go on that side you just knocked out right there. Okay. So y'all can see. So you make sure you pull it, you gotta pull them in, pull them back. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then that way you
gotta make sure this. So one will go in, but the other one's coming out. See.
Should it be doing that?
Well, they both supposed to be in at the same time.
So you got.
I might have to put something right here to keep it from coming out. Okay, that's the
new pad, yeah.
Okay, let me put that there.
Okay.
Put this right here.
Right.
Because I need
to push that one in.
Yeah, to stay in.
Right.
Oh shit.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let me see. You got another screwdriver?
Yeah, it's another one.
Let me get another.
The other screwdriver go right here. Oh, yeah. Here you go. So we got one in. Now we gotta get that other one in.
Yeah, we gotta get that other one in. This right
I like that. Change the brakes over here on the big Demon. Oh. I would have been sitting out here all day trying to figure that out. That's the part they'll tell you. Yes, sir. We learning today. I ain't never paying none of y'all to do my brakes ever again. For real, bro. It's like, bro.
Give me that new one.
That new one? Here go that new one right here.
Okay.
Y'all see them extreme stops. No brake dust.
Bro. My shit be so dusty before I came from the...
Bro. Be so dusty. You can see it from here. I'm finna clean my pads off now.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
That's crazy, bro.
Oh, yeah. You paying for what you don't know. Where your pins at?
My pins, the new pins, they right here.
You know what? I'm gonna teach you something, little brother. Always put something else up under there. Don't, you know, just in case that jack fall.
Always have like a tie or
put your,
something?
even if you gotta put your tie up under there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, nah, for real though.
But or just don't have your legs up under there.
Right, I got you.
You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
Yeah, never take no chances, man.
Cause it is machine.
Hey, man.
You know that's how
I
what?
gotta pull it this way.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it can go in this hole.
Yeah, but try the hammer. The hammer will knock it right on in there. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's hitting
Oh.
against the, what's the name?
Okay, do this then. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah.
Let's see.
Still gotta come with some more.
A little more?
Come with some more.
Okay, hold on. There you go. That's how it went. It didn't clamp on or nothing.
They just put the other one in there. Nah,
Oh.
they just going just like that.
Oh, okay.
They pins that just going
Okay.
just like that.
All right.
The pin in all the way?
Yeah,
On that way. Job on here. Job on here. Job on the original. Put this in the too. Stop this one too. With the Hemis.
Top of the
like
line.
that. You go like that, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
that look good.
Good, man. Yeah, put the original ones in. You got it, man. Hey, you see that other one by itself?
Yeah, I got it now.
I know you got it.
I got it now. We got new pads in there now.
Now you know
Y'all
how-
see that Demontimemo, we just successfully changed the pads.
Now you know how to do it yourself. You know I was going to show you. Yes, sir.
So, hey, God always say it's on time.
All the time, man. God is good. Yes, sir. Anytime you need me.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right, as y'all can see, man, we got the Demon first pads on there. We got them in there. Took us a minute for, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I ain't know what I was doing, but I kind of know what I'm doing now. So we're gonna get the other side done for y'all real quick. Just give y'all a little quick look real quick so y'all can see. We got them in there, man. We got the pins sticking out on both ends. Probably can push that one in a little more, maybe push that in a little more. But as y'all can see, man, new pads is in there. So we got that side done, man. For do the other side for y'all, man. So I hope y'all liking the video right now. Like, y'all see that big Demon, man. Y'all see what I'm saying, man. So look, we're gonna finish this up, man. Get the other side done. Then we're gonna go test these things out, man. See how they running. Y'all know how we coming. Let's do it. I'm about to open up a shop. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, folks. I'm about to open up a shop, folks. Anybody in the rack need their car done, folks, hit me. You need your brake change. You need your brakes changed. I ain't gonna charge y'all, folks. I ain't gonna hit y'all over the head, folks. You need them changed, hit me, folks. I ain't gonna lie. It's like that, folks. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I pull up. Mechanic pull up in the Demon, man.
What's up?
Mechanic pull up in the Demon, folks. Cool. Oh shit. Yes, sir. Real mechanic. Y'all see the vast, but y'all know what time it is. Your boy Demontimemo, man. We officially changed the brakes on the Demon for the first time. My boy KP, what up, folks? What we just do, folks?
Y'all seen we just changed the Demon brakes, man.
Oh, we got the big 300 cat in the back. Yes, sir. All right, come on, man. Let's get it cracking, folks. We finna finish up. Finish up for y'all, man. Y'all stay, look. Big toolbox, big kit. All right, so we finna get down to this side right here. So let's get it, man. Let's do it. Oh, shit. Man, let's get it, man. Yeah. My own fucking brakes, bro. I I love that shit.
Changed the oil before now.
Hell no. I ain't got that far yet. You ever did yours?
Hell no, but I done washed it like 3 times, so I'm gonna do it next time. So I need to change my shit soon. Shit.
For real? I just got my oil changed.
I just got my shit changed like a month and a half.
Just got my oil changed.
Yeah,
I
I
know
be
that.
outside to make my shit back down to like 30% life.
For real?
Yeah.
Man, so I don't know what this song, but fuck with you. That shit fight. Fuck with you. That shit fight just like
After I
you.
started fucking with Baby Scat, that nigga done had me outside 3-4 weeks in a row. My shit went right back down.
Hey, where the helmet at? That helmet over there? Yeah. Grab that. To do the other side of these brakes. So, in order to do the other side of these brakes though, we gotta make sure that we, hold on, let me bring y'all close and show y'all real quick. Show y'all something real quick. So look, when we doing these brakes, we wanna make sure that we gonna get the inside of these 2 little things right here. So this one and this one right here, we wanna make sure we push them, we're gonna pull them back that way so that we can be able, when we put the new ones in, so they're not, because these are worn, so we're gonna make sure that those are these are pushed back. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna push these out a little bit, and then at the same time I'm gonna push these back. So I'm gonna move y'all right here. Woo! Jesus Christ, bro, it was a no trip, man. Y'all see that, bro? Was no tread left on these, bro. Jesus Christ, what's up? There was a lot left on these, but no, bro.
That sheriff just pull over. Like,
Where?
he right here. Yeah, all the other cars. Oh, look, he just went past. Look, he's like,
Let's go. Tell him come over here. I'm gonna treat him like sheriff's be, bro. We ain't out here, but just trying to change brakes. All right, so look, I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to get this one down here. I kind of pushed it, the first one too far, so I'm gonna try to. I gotta push this back. This side is good. I just gotta get this side. So it's up. I think I'm messed up, you know. I'm just playing. I gotta get this thing. I gotta get it down. I can't get it down right now. This takes forever, bro. I think I messed up. Nah, I'm good. We good. Hold on, y'all. It's gonna take me a minute for me to get this out. Woo. As y'all can see, I'm having difficulties with this pier right here. These two right here, bro. Trying to get it. But he turned the wheel towards me, so hopefully we can get it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. It's been at work. So hey. Let's see. All right, so here we go. Yeah, it's good. Good looking. See, I successfully did this out on my own. So go wrong with the right side of my car. That's OB, but look, we got them right there, man. So all we gotta do now is just put this on there, and then we good. Where my old pins at? The old ones. All right, so we just gotta put this in there now. So all right, we're gonna finish up right here. I guess I'll let y'all see from this angle. y'all can see, we successfully changed our brake pads, man. We successfully did it, man. Successfully got the new brakes. Done by yours finest, Demontimemo. So look, you need your brakes done. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. If you need them done, let me know. I was gonna take y'all for a ride, but it might start raining, so I was gonna let y'all see that we successfully did it, but y'all gonna see that in the next video. So you know what I'm saying? So look, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I hope y'all rock with your boy Demontimemo, man. I'll be dropping another video for y'all soon. I think the next video that I'll be doing will be probably doing illegal with my illegal tent getting installed. So probably do that video next, or I might be doing some drive-through videos for y'all, man. I'll probably be going to like a couple drive-throughs, getting like live reactions with me pulling up in a Demon at a drive-through. So man, make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. This your boy Demontimemo, man. We going, let's do it.
Playing big brands in a boat.